Hello, welcome back at PewDiePie. We are not playing a game right now. We are going to talk about this thing here, which is the Nintendo Switch 2, which I ordered and I just received it. Well, in honesty, I received it a couple of days ago, but I didn't open it yet because I wasn't there. I planned my holidays a bit badly and I missed the arrival of the Nintendo Switch 2. I pre ordered it, so it arrived on June 5th, but I was out of the house. But I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I've got my scissors here ready to open up the box. This is what it looks like on the front. This is what it looks like on the top. That's what it looks like on the back side, and then there's also the two sides right there. And then the bottom, it looks pretty similar to the box of the Nintendo Switch 1, except it's the Switch 2. I kind of stopped talking here because this is already open. Um, that's not a good sign, actually, to be honest. As you can see, by the way, I ordered the Mario Kart World Edition. All right, so the scissors, I don't need the scissors. That's already good. Oh, or bad, let's see. So if you open the box, which was already open, apparently, this is what you get. The Nintendo Switch 2 box. So there's a box in a box. This box I can put aside. This looks quite bulky. Also, I'm not really sure if I trust this. Honestly, it was supposed to be new, right? Anyway, how does this open? There's a latch here on the bottom side of the box. Let's put that in the middle, and then you can open it up like so. Yeah, and then the entire thing just opens up. Inside, apparently this is what it looks like. So you have the two controllers here. They are still plastic wrap. Okay, so the plastic wrap is not factory sealed. I hope this still works. So you've got the blue one, obviously. Let's put that more in frame, which was here, pardon me, in the box. And then also the red one, which was here in the box. For now, I'll leave them in the plastic, right? On top here, you've got the main part, which is the screen. It's also not in a plastic wrap that is factory sealed. This is a bit concerning, I would say, but still, the screen looks to be quite big. I haven't fired it up yet, so I don't know. I can see just a little bit of a hint of a frame inside the screen, so the screen is not going to be as big as you'd think, I guess, because it ends here. I put my thumbs there and there, so it's a bit smaller. The back side of the screen looks like that, apparently. There is the USB-C port on top, the on and off button, the volume button right there, and then on the bottom you've got another USB-C port, probably to dock it. So that's what that looks like. I'll put that to the side here. So those were the controllers. I'll put them to the bottom here as well. This apparently is a latch that opens up. Okay, cool. So you've got your HDMI cable right there and some documentation. And then also you have the guards for the controllers if you use them separately. So below this, let's put that to the side as well. Let's close that back up. Let's maybe put the documentation back in here. I am going to be using the cable to fire this thing up, obviously. Aha! Inside of here, this would probably be, yes, this is the part where you click in the side controllers so they can form a one big controller. So that's cool. That's cool. Let's put that back in its box. I probably won't be using that. I'll explain later why. Okay, so also inside the box you have this power socket. Because I'm in Europe, this is what mine looks like, but apparently it's just a power socket, and then you've got the USB-C to USB-C cable. That is new compared to the Nintendo Switch 1 that was one unit. Now it's separate. I think that's an improvement. That's cool. I thought this was here and this was here. And then this will probably be the docking station. Also, none of this is factory sealed. You can just wrap it, pull it out. This is what it looks like. It's thicker. At least, what is this? There's a herring here. It's thicker than the Nintendo Switch 1 docking station. On the back, it looks like that. There's some finish on the bottom. On the sides, you have two USB ports, like with the Nintendo Switch 1 OLED at least. And then I would assume that this here pops off. Yeah, it does. And then you can put your AC adapter there and the HDMI right there. And there is even an internet port on the bottom here, an internet port, network cable port. So that's probably it for the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. I do want to fire this thing up because I am still a little bit worried. Let me put that back in the box. It looks way better, right? I am still a bit worried that nothing was factory sealed. So I have a sneaky suspicion that this box has been opened up by someone. I hope that's not the case. But yeah, I think that's about it for the unboxing of a Nintendo Switch 2. The reason I will not be using the controllers will be revealed soon, but for now, I guess this is it. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for liking the videos and subscribing to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye!